All right, that's it. And stadium, this entire series and this entire year.
Hello, sir. Are you ready for your haircut? I told him to go change his shirt so I could give him a haircut. It's inside out, but that's fine, right?
Yeah. Do number 3.
Yeah, that's the one I had it. There it is. I had it in my hand and sat it down. Okay. Ready?
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh.
Okay, look down.
I used to not let any about that tickly part.
Mm-hmm.
Now I start to do a little bit of a laughter. Ah! What is that?
Steady. Yeah. Tonight we're making campfire potatoes, only we're not making them over campfire, we're gonna make them in the oven. So I've got some butter in my skillet. It was in there while the oven was preheating, so it's already melted. 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just slicing my potatoes really thin, about like that. With this, we're gonna have hamburger steak, and I also have fish. And there was something else. Oh yeah, I have some frozen corn too that I thought I might make, or we have some edamame, but I don't have any chickpeas to make more of that edamame salad that we made the other night. So we're just gonna slice all these, and then we're gonna slice an onion to put in here with them. Now, if you don't wanna make a big pan of these, you can do full packs. That's what you would do if you were gonna cook them over the campfire. You just make little full packs and put the potatoes and onions in there and the other stuff and cook them over the fire like that. Since we're doing them in here, I'm just cooking them in this big skillet. Yeah. And I have the oven preheated to 375. I can't remember if I told y'all what I had it heated to. We might not need all these potatoes. Potatoes go further than you think. I think we'll just need this last one here. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll put some salt and pepper over the potatoes before we add the onions. Now we'll add the onions in here.
You wanna know which kind of truck I'm going to talk when I get back here?
Go away.
Now a little more salt and pepper. And we're gonna put some butter on the top. And then these are gonna bake in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, the potatoes and onions have been in there for about 20 minutes. We're gonna drizzle over a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Some cheese.
That I gave to Mom.
This is just sharp cheddar, and we're gonna put some Monterey Jack too. It's going back in for about 15 more minutes. You like Monterey Jack?
Yeah, can I get some more on that?
Mm-hmm.
If it's a little bit left.
Yeah, I'll save you a little.
Okay.
And you can add some peppers and stuff in here if you want to.
Like these green peppers are over
Right,
here.
like those green ones. We're not going to add them in this time, but if you want to, you can add those in. We are going to chop up some parsley to sprinkle over the top when it gets done, though. Here you go. You can take that to the table.
So you don't need the Monterey Jack anymore?
No, that's all you need.
I know not to touch that pan right there.
Because it's hot.
Tom told me that a million times. Is that song also stuck in your head for me? I'm just a nobody. Yeah, I'm like, and I believe I can fly stuck in your head for me.
Sissy, do you want onions or just potatoes?
Yeah, those are really good. But kind of tastes like skillet potatoes.
We're making our Wednesday evening snacks tonight. Tyler's making some chocolate chip muffins over there. And I'm on scrambled egg duty.
Good night. See y'all tomorrow.